And with this kit, like, it comes with like a whole bunch of like royalty free loops that you can chop, do whatever you want, you know what I mean, or whatever. And you can use any of the drums in here with those loops or whatever, or you don't have to use the loops at all, you know. But this is something different. Normally I don't include whole loops with my kits, but this time I want to give y'all guys something different, give y'all a starting point, you know what I mean. You know what I mean? You can do whatever you want to do with them. Reverse them, slow them down, or whatever. And all of them are actually tempo matched. So, like you see, I got this on 90, right? So, yeah, you can change, do whatever you want to do with these things. You know what I mean? Change the key. You know, so and with the kicks too, like, so if the kicks don't have too much bass on them or whatever, I set the kicks up so you can add more bass or take away bass, you know, make that kit as light as you want or make it as bassy as you want, you know what I mean. You can do the same for the snare to get the snare more snap, you know what I mean. Lighten it and give it a lot more bass. Alright, so hit to thecyclekit.com, support your boy, man. I love y'all. That's sincere. Respect.